Hey folks, it's Chad from Untangle, back with some more videos to go over some changes here for our new version. Version 13.2 of Untangle just dropped, and we were able to implement a lot of user feature requests this time. I'm here on our wiki site, wiki.untangle.com, going over our changelog. And if you saw my first video, we went over the admin interface. We looked at some new widgets on our dashboard, some new functions in our reporting engine. But now I'm going to take a look at some of our new VPN options. One of the biggest requests we've had over the last few months, year, whatever, has been the ability to add two-factor authentication to OpenVPN with a password. So we're able to do that now using Directory Connector for authentication. So the way that looks on Untangle is coming into OpenVPN here. We would come enable our OpenVPN server, and then basically just check username, password authentication, and then configure whatever authentication you have available. This is your second authentication factor. So OpenVPN's needed that for a while, and it's available now. OpenVPN config is still completely open. You'll also see that we updated the Windows installer. So thank you to our user Webfool. That's a big help. In IPSec VPN, our paid VPN module, you'll see that we did add some new events for tunnel status changes. That way we can actually create alerts if your tunnel goes down. We also added kernel hooks to restart those tunnels automatically. So if a tunnel goes down, you'll not only get pinged now, you'll also have that kernel hook that restarts the tunnel. And we also added some new alerts and logging and ping test for tunnels and some new Diffie-Hellman groups, which you won't really see in effect in IPSec, but those are very valuable for IPSec security. And then in Tunnel VPN, we also implemented a new additional reconnect method outside of OpenVPN. And we added same events for tunnel status changes and events and reporting for Tunnel VPN as well. So if you've got VPN tunnels stood up either with IPSec or Tunnel VPN, we do have new hooks to see when those tunnels go down to alert you and then actually restart the tunnel, that kind of thing. So if you want to go through this a little bit more in depth, we will have a huge community webinar here for version 13.2 coming up before too long. But as always, wiki.untangle.com, then just go out to our changelog. You'll see that version 13.2 changelog available right there. Check out our YouTube, check out untangle.com. I'll be back with a couple more of these videos going over some of the app additions here. Captive Portal got some new additions. Application Control, Directory Connector have been expanded. So check those out in an upcoming video. Thanks.